Hey guys, Adam here. We're back on this gem of an '04 Oldsmobile Alero. And we have a burned out light. So we got our headlight here. We have our blinker guy right there. And we got this guy, little ambiguous guy here at the end. He's burned out. Now, if we get another light, we can see he's hiding all the way there in the corner. Now, I don't know about you, but I cannot get my hand in there to do it. So, looks like what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to just pull off this inner fender here and we'll go whoop straight up in there. So, let's see what we can do. So if I'm looking here in the fender to get to that connector, we have got a push tab down here, got one right here, and one right here. So it looks like 3 tabs there, and it looks like this bottom one's separate. So let's work on getting those 3 tabs out and see what happens, shall we? And of course I break it. Oh, it's been out before. Little Christmas tree fasteners, that's what they look like. What we're gonna do, broke the middle one. We didn't get the bottom one out, but that should give me enough clearance here. It does, it does. I don't know if you can see that, can you? We got the light. We're going to pull this guy out. Obviously, he's toast. These are a 194 itty bitty guys. At least that's what the parts store guy told me. That's what he sold me. Come on. Got our connector. Put the light in. Let's just reach up here. Put it back in its hole. Let's see what we got. There we go. Light's fixed. And so, with that, the connector was just right down there. My hand just reached in, and you can grab it super easy. So guys, quick and easy. Fix that light right there, that one. So, super simple. Don't pay the quickie lube places and crap like that to fix these things because they just take advantage. So, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.